Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, it's a day of weekly expiry for the market, and again, we need to focus on levels of the Nifty as well as statistics of option market. So, if we go through with Nifty, then yesterday it closed 100 points lower as compared to its previous close, and we saw some selling pressure at higher levels. After hitting the levels of 18,000, again the market came back to the levels of 17,900, and again it closed at the lowest point of the day. So while looking at the formation of last 3 days, then the market is opening higher, or it is trying to move higher, but after like finding selling pressure at higher levels, it comes back to the lowest point of the day and it closes near to the same. But while looking at the gradual pace of the market and the way there are multiple supports between 17,850 and 17,800, we are of the view that after yesterday's sell-off, if we see furthermore weakness at the opening, then close to 17,850, 17,800, the market should find support. 17,850 is the support of 50 days simple moving average, which is acting as major support for the market since 14,500 levels on the Nifty. So we can imagine that how actually it is important for the market, and below that 17,800 was the previous lowest level. Yes, but in case if we see the market is closing below the levels of 17,750, then we can expect major weakness in the market. So 17,750 is the final crucial support level for the market, and below that again retesting of 17,000, maybe 600 or 400 can also be possible. But right now important level is 17,850 and 17,800 during the day. In the worst case scenario, 17,750 may also be possible, but because it's a very short week and tomorrow holiday for the market, so we are of the view that market should try to consolidate or to recover from lower levels after hitting the important support areas. The Bank Nifty was like also down yesterday, and actually it closed below the level of 38,200, which is not positive, because based on that the possibilities of hitting 17,000, maybe 500 or 600 would turn bright. There the Bank Nifty is having excellent support, but and in case if we see today any weakness because of some major weakness in banks, then the Bank Nifty may fall to the levels of 37,500 or 600. Otherwise, we are of the view that yesterday we saw some specific buying in State Bank, ICICI Bank as well as Axis Bank in the first half of the trading session. Later on we saw some profit taking, but yesterday's activity was the narrowest activity for all these banks, and whenever there is a narrowest activity sort of formation, we see some recovery on the next day. So today we need to focus on financials very closely. Finally, if we go through with other sectors, then we saw some profit taking in technology companies yesterday. TCS, Tech Mahindra as well as Infosys. They were like under some profit taking pressure. So there we need to be careful for taking any long position. And metals should do well because there is like specific news flow for Vedanta. It closed at 335, 340 levels, and there was gradual upward tick. So even if we see the retracement of the stock, then 350, 355 should be the next level to watch out for based on the news flow of the news flow from the company. So 350, 355 is the level for Vedanta where the stock can arrest, and apart from that, if we have to focus, then Hindalco, which is very close to its support area of 435, 440, should again bounce back. So these are the stock on which we are going to focus, and crucial levels are 17,750, 850. On the option side, FIs have reduced some call positions but they have increased some long positions on the index futures, which is very nominal, and they have reduced some positions on the put options. But retailers are still holding long positions, and they have still kept the position of put writing. So unless and until the market is not breaking the level of 17,800 or 17,750, we are not going to see a huge amount of unwinding from retailers on the long side. Yesterday we saw some sell off below 17,950. Gradual sell off was there, and maybe that's the reason we are not that much bearish on the market as we were yesterday. So we feel that 17,850 should act as support and market should come back. That's all from my side for the day. So with this we are ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.